Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh and I wish you a very happy Sunday. And today we'll be talking about three things: the overall crypto market health, then the the gems that we discovered using our data analytics technique, the crypto gems, and the third part is the uh, AI based forecast for one of those gem, which is PancakeSwap cake token. And let's get started. The chart that the heat map that you're seeing on the screen is the crypto market structure excluding stable coins. This is all crypto excluding stable coins such as USDC, DT, that is Tether, and other bunch of stable coins. So you can see that this particular heat map is uh, can be divided into two stages. One is all of Bitcoin, and then the rest of the crypto market. And major chunk of the rest of the crypto market is still by Ethereum, and slowly that share is also being taken over by altcoins like Solana, XRP, uh, Cardano, Avalanche, Tron, Chainlink, etc. So 50% of market is Bitcoin, which is currently trading at 37,000. Today is Sunday, November 12th, and Ethereum is trading in at $2,000, well over $2,000. BNB at 2,000, almost 2,050. Sorry, $250. XRP at 66 cents. Solana at $57. Solana has had a growth. If you see the number in percentages, Bitcoin grew by almost 6%, Ethereum almost 11%, BNB by 5%, XRP 8%. Solana over the past week performance has grown by almost 37%. Another notable rallying coin in this in couple of them are Avalanche, which rallied almost 48%, Chainlink rallied about 37%, Matic, Polygon Matic rallied at 23%, Dot at 22%. So those are some of the noteworthy ones, and also ADA definitely at 17%. This is the weekly structure. The ones which did not rally or had a slight pullback are color coded in red, but most of the major crypto you can see a sea of green for the past week. We'll also discuss about what happened in the last 6 months. So that would be a curious case to consider. Bitcoin grew by about 36%, whereas Ethereum grew only almost by one third of that, so about 13%, as opposed to Bitcoin's growth at about 37%. XRP grew at 54%. Solana, a massive gain at about 174%, almost 3x. BNB crashed by 20%, so that's also concerning. And then some of the smaller ones, such as Avalanche, although for the last week it rallied for by about 40%, as we saw just now. Overall, in the last 6 months, it has barely rallied over 20%. So that also suggests that it's kind of in a V-shaped recovery. Chainlink, another strong contender with almost 140% rally. Polygon Matic was at had a pullback of about 3%. Polkadot at about slight rally of about 8%. You can see a mix of green and red on this chart. If you consider the last 6 months, some of the smaller ones, most of the smaller ones are red over here by market cap, whereas over the last couple of last week, the chart that we just saw, the heat map just saw, barely any red. That suggests that in the last 6 months, although there has been a rally, it has majorly pointed towards gains in the higher market cap cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and so on, but not so much in the lower cap, that as evidenced by the last 6 months performance. So this is the first part that I wanted to share. The second is the data analytics that we conduct, and the header of the video, the 5 or 6 crypto gems that we see by our data analytics, are which are doing quite well in the last month. So we focus on the cryptos which have rallied by about 60% in the last month, and also have a rank by market cap of less than 100. So we consider only top 100 cryptos, the ones which rallied more than 60% and which had a healthy volume, that is at least 5% of its market cap is being traded. So in that list, there are there are six cryptos: Thorchain, and which we covered in the last week. I will add this. I've added this video for Thorchain in the description. So if you want to check out our AI-based forecast for Thorchain, we have that video linked in the description. Immutable X, which is a I think metaverse, not metaverse, sorry, NFT-based project on Ethereum. And this FTX token, which was involved in the FTX bankruptcy, and so be cautious about this one. Although this features in this list, this is just purely data analysis. You have to do your own research on top of it. There are some questionable ones in the list. And PancakeSwap, which we are going to discuss today at length in our AI-based forecast. The price of Cake token is coming in at $2.18. This is the DeFi token for BNB chain. The fifth one by market cap is Terra Luna, which is again a questionable one. It was involved in its crash in 2022 bear market, and also the Ordinals Ordi token with a market cap under 500 million. So let's today dedicate this the later part of the video on PancakeSwap, that is, and let's discuss its change over month is above 75%. The market cap is slightly under 500 million, but getting to that point, the 24-hour volume is almost 40% of its market cap. So almost you can say half of its market cap is being traded over the last 24 hours. So that's another good sign in a bull run. And another tab that I would like to share is its rank. It's currently ranked at number 90. The price in the last hour crashed, had a slight pullback to about 9%. As I said, it's kind of a decentralized exchange, kind of similar to Uniswap but for BNB. So that's its category. And the last thing that we would like to discuss is what's it, not just 1 month price change or performance, or the last 1 month. We just check another other time periods, such as performance over the last week, which is 17%, over the last month 99%, and then performance over 3 months is 48%. All of these are healthy. In the last 6 months, you can see that this particular crypto, I think that's when it kind of started gaining some traction. Performance is 17%, but year to date you can see that if you compare the year to date performance of in this notable list, you can see that PancakeSwap has not performed that great when you compare its year to date. That suggests that there was a crash during the beginning of the year. And 1 year look back suggests that the token has depreciated almost 50% in its value, but over a 5 period it has provided some significant growth of about 58-59%. So another place where you can see that cryptos such as Thorchain has delivered healthy performance about 300x over here, that is 30,000%. So that's again, some of them have more utility than others, so this should not be surprising, but something that we would like to bring it to your attention. So the last part of the video, that is the AI based forecast that we'll be covering now, will be about PancakeSwap and its base case, bull case, and the bear case. We'll be considering data since the Cake token was launched in, I think, late 2020, and this is the weekly average price. We conduct first in our all analysis, we conduct in our AI based forecast, we conduct the undervaluation phases and the overvaluation phases related analysis for the cryptos. So for example, over here for PancakeSwap's cake token, the undervaluation zone per hour model which we develop using Z-score, the undervaluation zone is above, sorry, the price action below $2 per hour model is considered as undervaluation, deep undervaluation territory. Right now the price is $2.20. So if you are waiting for any pullbacks, this is the AI based, or not AI based, data analytics based uh, analytics based recommendation of what is a good undervaluation zone for cake, not financial advice. The second zone that we keep harping about is the not deep undervaluation, but not close to fair value. So it's a light undervaluation, we like to call this, between $2 and $5. The price action is, you can see that this is following a band of light blue color. The fair value is between $5 and $10, and the price action, when it gets heated above $10, you can see the color becomes more and more orange. In the last bull run during its peak of 2021, the price at its peak was $38 at a weekly average, and the z-score that corresponded to its peak was almost 4 standard deviation away from the mean. So if you would like to see what is a potential topping scenario for cake in 2025 potential bull run, do subscribe to the channel. So we have this z-score based forecast in mind. As the market resets around late 2023, we can definitely consider a pause till 2023 and consider a second cycle starting 2023 2024, and conduct a AI based forecast or data analytics based forecast for a topping scenario in the next bull run. So do stay tuned for that. But for today, we will focus on the base case output of our AI model for the next 10 weeks, and in a plain English words, we'll try to convey what our AI model thinks about cake. And it's not financial advice. So for this week, for our AI model, the forecasted average price is around $2.18, and this is kind of on point with our the current price that we just checked on TradingView. It's coming in at $2.16. For the next week, per our AI model, the price action is at $2.70. We'll cover this price action in tabular format towards the end. So if you are interested in exact values, please stick out to the end. In the last week of November, per our AI model, the average price is at $2.91. In the first week of December, you can see it's $2.85. Then kind of flattens till $2.99, so under $3, and then slight pullback towards the end of the year and first 2 weeks in January to about $2.70. So the range is between $2.20 and $3 in the base case. The bull case, which is a 1 standard deviation away move, and this we like to call it as a theoretical ceiling, where we see some resistance. Our AI model sees some resistance if there are any massive bull runs or bull rallies in the coming weeks. Per our AI model, if there is a 1 standard deviation move, what would be a theoretical resistance or a ceiling level for next week is coming in at $4. The last week of November coming in at $4.30. The December first week is $4.30, and then the second week of December at $4.53. Last week of the third week of December at $5. Fourth week at $6. Last week of December at $8.44. A key level to watch, because it's kind of similar to the April rally in the bear market. And then the first two in January are coming in at slightly less, about between $8.20 and $8.10. So that's the bull case. The range is between $4 and $8.50. So $4 and $8.50, kind of a wide range, but that's what we expect in a bull run. A steep price appreciation and then followed by a pullback. So the bear case that we like to say is the equal and opposite of a bull case, which is 1 standard deviation move to the downside. What are the theoretical supports if the rally ceases to exist or has a significant pullback? So 1 standard deviation away moves. I know these moves are quite tapered or tampered, sorry, because of the current bullish momentum for crypto. So we'll keep on making forecasts for the major cryptos based on the changes in the market behavior. For the next week, per our AI model, the floor is coming in at $2.11. The next week, that is the last week of November, is coming in at $1.71. In the second week of December is coming in at $1.45. Then kind of like a V-shaped recovery to about end of December to about $2.24 and $1.82 in early January. So kind of a W pattern is being forecasted with slightly higher high at about $2.24 at the end of year, that is December 2023. So we'll cover this forecast summary in a tabular format. So as we discussed, the base case is between $2.10 and $3, that is $2.20 and $3. The bear case that we just discussed is between the forecast is between $1.45 and the higher end is $2.24. So these are the values that our AI model has outputted. So if you like to note it down in your own for your own research, you can pause this video. And for the bull case, as we discussed, the valuation forecasted is between $4 and $8.50. So $3.50 and $8.50, that's the range. So hope you like this content. If you do, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like and check out the other videos that are covered in our description, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.